You cannot convert a profile to a page and use Creator Studio. I have said this and I'm still saying it again now. Some people keep asking me, MTV, I have Creator Studio but I cannot access my page. This question, I have received it more than 1,000 times. Listen, I have made video on this, not once, not twice, a lot of video. If you haven't watched the video yet, please scroll down or check on my page or on my YouTube channel or TikTok. My videos are there, the videos are there. I explained it here before that when you convert a profile to a page, it is difficult for you to use Creator Studio. You cannot convert a profile to a page and use Creator Studio. You can just create a page directly and access Creator Studio with that page. I hope I've made myself clear again. Please, I'll repeat it again. If you use a profile to convert it to a page, know that you are going to be posting on that page regularly without using Creator Studio or Business Suite. I hope I've made myself clear. If you want to use Creator Studio or Business Suite, please make sure you create a page directly using a profile. Don't convert a profile to a page and you want to access Business Suite or Creator Studio, because when you convert a profile to a page, Facebook or Meta still see it like a profile, and a profile cannot be used on Meta Business Suite. Okay, so I'm going to show you in a very quick step now how you can use Meta Business Suite. Meta is gradually changing from Creator Studio to Business Suite. From the 12th of April, that's about 11 days from now, you are not going to see Creator Studio anymore. You are going to be seeing this app. If you don't have it, please make sure you download it in your phone. It can be used both on iOS and Android. Now, this app that you see here like this, I just open, you see Meta Business Suite, this one. Okay, this is Meta Business Suite. When you open it, it is going to show you like this. You can see logging in with Facebook or logging in with Instagram. Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp is all owned by one person, Mark Zuckerberg. So if you want to log in to your Facebook page, you just click on login and it is going to direct you like this. Very easy. I see some people having problem about this. I don't know how. You just click on continue and your page is going to open directly into your page. That is it. You see that my page has just opened. Very easy. So I can as well access whatever I want to access here from Meta Business Suite, you see. And if I want to post video, I just click on this plus and I post my video, or it is a reel or it is a photo, whatever I want to post, you just post it there. And if you want to check for your monetization and the rest, you just come to where you see these three icons here. You click on there and you go to settings and you are going to see the various options. Any one that you want to see, guys, it is there on Meta Business Suite. And please, I said it and I'm still saying it now, you can only access Meta Business Suite when you're using a page directly, not a page that you have converted, not a profile that you have converted to a page. That is that for today. I hope I've made myself clear and you have understood. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in our next video. Peace out.